Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. Subject is math. This is third chapter. The name of this chapter is Playing with Numbers. Today is the 12th day on this chapter. Today we shall read new topic, highest common factor. But before starting the new topic, we have to revise some things which we have read in previous few videos. First of all, we have to revise what is common factors. We are familiar with factors. What is factors? Perfect divisor of any number is known as factors. Factor, here we have to find common factors and we shall discuss it with the help of an example. The question may be, find the common factor of 12 and 18. And here what will be the right process to solve this problem? First we shall write factors of 12, and we know factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And then we shall find factors of 18. Factors of 18 will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we have to find common factors. Common factors means those factors which are present in the factors of both numbers. We shall see here 1 is present in the factors of both number, 2 is present in the factors of both number, 3 is also present in the factors of both numbers, and 6 is also present in the factors of both number. So common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now common multiples. And one thing must be clear, number of factors are limited. And multiples, what is multiple? When one natural number is multiplied by other natural number, then the product obtained is known as multiples. For example, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Here 15 is the multiple of 3 and 15 is the multiple of 5, both. 15 is the multiple of both 3 and 5. Now common multiples. Here we have to find common multiples of 6 and 12. And for this purpose we shall write some multiples of 6. Some multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And some multiples of 12 are 13, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, etc. Now we have to find common multiples. Common multiples are 6, 20, common multiples in 6 and 12 are 12, 24. And many other common multiples may be obtained, but here we are writing only two common multiples. Then the third line is common multiples of 6 and 12, 12 and 24. Now I think it is clear. If question will be, find the common multiples of 6 and 12, then we shall write multiples of 6, then multiples of 12, and then we shall select common multiples. Now prime factors. Prime factors means factors we know. Common perfect divisor of any given number is known as prime factors, and prime means that number should be prime number. Factors should be prime number. And we also know, memorize it, two types of number. 1 is prime number, 3 is a prime number, because it has only two factors. 3 is a prime number. Two factors 1 and 3. In prime number has only two factors. One is 1 and other is the number itself, and other is the composite number. In case of composite number, what happens? The number has more than two factors. 6 is an example of composite number. If all factors of a number are prime number, then this factorization is called prime factorization, and that those factors are known as prime factors. Here we can find prime factors, or we can do prime factorization by two processes. One is division method and other is factor tree method. We have already read it, but here once we have to revise. Here is the by division method we have to find prime factorization of 48. 48 is divided by 2, that is 24. Again 24 is divided by 2, that is 12. 12 is divided by 2, that is 6, and 6 is divided by 3, 2, that is 3. 3 divided by 3, it is 1. We shall continue this process till we shall get 1. Now 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. I have written here. This is the prime factorization of 48. This is prime factorization method. Now second method, division method, factor tree method. we have taken the same number and we shall check the answer of the both process methods are same or different. In factor tree method, 48 can be written as 2 multiplied by 24. Here 2 is a prime number, let it live here. 24 is a composite number, we shall again factorize it. 24 again can be written as 2 into 12. 2 is a prime number, let it live, and 12 is a composite number, again factorize it. 12 is equal to 2 into 6, again 6 is a composite number and 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Here 2 is also prime number, 3 is also a prime number. So by the factor tree method, prime factorization has completed. And what is the prime factorization of 48? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. Method may be anyone. Which method we have to apply, this depends upon our choice, or sometimes it is given in the question. Find the prime factorization by factor tree method, or find the do the prime factorization by division method. We can choose method according to condition. Now this topic is new topic, highest common factors. We have read common factor, now we have to read highest common factor. Common factors are many, maybe many, 2, 3, 4, and highest common factor will be 1. Highest common factor, in short it is known as HCF. This is a question, find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. How we shall solve it? First we shall write factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then factor of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now factor I have written, then we have to find common factor. Common factors of 12 and 18. 1, what we are seeing, 1 is in the both factors of both number, 1 is common, again 2 is common, again 3 is common, and 6 is also common. These are the common factors of 12 and 18. Now we have to find the highest common factor. Highest common factor among all these factors are 6. 6 is the answer. 6 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. Highest common factor is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD. It is the greatest common divisor of 12 and 18. And second thing, HCF of 2 or more numbers can be find out by this method. HCF can be found by two methods. One is the prime factorization method, other is the continued division method. HCF by prime factorization method. We shall discuss both example with the help of. Here we have to find HCF of 18 and 24 by prime factorization method. Highest common factor of 18 and 24. For this, to solve this question, we shall start from prime factorization. Prime factorization of 18 is equal to, here I have done prime factorization of 18 by division method. 18 divided by 2, this is 9. 9 divided by 3, this is 3. Again 3 divided by 3, this is 1. Then find prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. I have written prime factorization of 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Then prime factorization of 24. Prime factorization of 24 also can be find out by using division method. 24 divided by 2, we get 12. 12 divided by 2, we find 6. 6 divided by 2, this is 3. Again 3 divided by 3, this is 1. And we have discussed, we have to continue this process till the quotient is 1. Now what are the prime factorization of 24? Right here, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This is prime factorization. Now I have written all the prime factors of 18 and 24. Now we have to find common factor. Common factors of 18 and 24 are, what we are seeing, 2 is present in both, and 1, 3 is also present in factors of both. So 2 and 3 are the common factors of 18 and 24. Now highest common factor is 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. 6 is the answer. If we have to find highest common factor of 18 and 24, then the answer will be 6. What we have done? First we have done the prime factorization of 18, then we have done prime factorization of 24, then we have selected the common factors, and then we have find out the highest common factor. The highest common factor also can be obtained by the process of continued division method. In case of continued division method, we shall start from division of larger number from a smaller number. This is the example. We have to find HCF of 36 and 60. Here 60 is divided by 36, quotient is 1, remainder is 24. This is first step. Now 24 is the divisor and 36 will be dividend. This divisor will be dividend and the remainder will be divisor. 36 will be divided by 24, again quotient is 1, this is second step, and remainder is 12. Now again 12 will be divisor and this 24 will be dividend. Then 24 will be divided by 12, quotient is 2, remainder is 0. We have to continue this process till we get remainder 0, and the last divisor is the HCF. Here HCF last divisor is 12, when remainder is 0, this is the last divisor 12, and HCF of highest common factor of 36 and 60 is 12. This is answer. In the next video we shall again discuss HCF with the help of some more examples. Thanks.